Kasi ang oregano is one of the harshest oils. In fact, oregano is one of the oils that I cannot use with my pets because it's filled with terpenes. Oregano is considered as one of the heavy-duty oils. Medyo strong siya talaga. It's something that you can never, ever use undiluted. At itong mga oils na ito, sa sobrang tapang nila, sobrang harsh nila, once it touches your skin, it burns your skin. Ganun katapang. So you girls have to be very careful. Kasi these are the oils na so strong, so harsh. These oils are called hot oils. And ito yung mga cinnamon, oregano, thyme, black pepper. When you research about hot oils, ito yung mga never, ever put it on your skin na undiluted. I had an experience when I was blending for a client na mayroong diabetes and cinnamon. So sometimes when you open an essential oil, meron siyang bubble dun sa tip. So ayaw lumabas yung oil. I was feeling impatient that day. I blew the bubble. Kasi para pumutok, para lumabas na. I normally have glasses. Mataas din yung grado ko. So buti naka-glasses ako. When I blew the bubble, tumalsik yung oil sa mukha ko. Here on my right side. And instantly, I felt the burn. Mahapdi siya. Mahapdi talaga. And when that happens, remember, do not rinse it with water. Dahil oils and water, they don't mix. So walang mangyayari kahit i-water mo. What you do, you get any vegetable oil. Kahit anong vegetable oil na makikita mo, coconut oil, palm oil, kung ano meron sa kusina, and then put it on your face. Para it helps block the molecules of your essential oil to seep inside or go deeper in your skin kasi mas malalaki yung molecules ng fixed oils, ng carrier oils, ng vegetable oil. Pwede niyang harangan, palulutangin niya yung molecules ng essential oil. That is when you can rinse it with soap and water. Dahil yun yung first aid. So, the damage has been done for 2 weeks. Yung splatter ng oil dito sa right side of my face was there. It's that fast. It happened in seconds, but it's that fast. Imagine if hindi ako nakasalamin, napunta sa mata ko. And that's why people have lost their eyes because of essential oils. So essential oils are amazing, really amazing, potent. It can really wash away migraines in seconds. It can help alleviate your allergic rhinitis. It can do so many wonderful things, but it's also, you have to be very careful kasi may risks din. And that is what I want to advocate to everyone. And even to you guys, as young as you, na alam ko marami kang naririnig na, oh, essential oils, it's natural, it's safe, ganyan. But walang bagay na super safe. There will always have, di ba, some sort of risk na dapat alam din. Dapat tinuturo din natin yung risk.